Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In previous class, we started a new lesson, Force, Work and Energy. In that lesson, we learnt force, types of force and work. In today's class, we are going to learn the remaining lessons, machines and energy. Okay, machine first. When a task is difficult to do with our hands, that time we use tools called machines. That is, to make our work easy, we sometimes use tools. That is called simple machines. For example, we use a pair of scissors to cut open a packet of milk. Here, the pair of scissors is a simple machines. Okay. The lever, the pulley, the wheel and axle, the inclined plane, the screw and the wedge are some simple machines. Okay, let us see in detail. First one, lever. A lever is a simple machine that is made up of a rod resting at a point around which it turns. It is used to lift or move heavy weights, cut things or open the lid of a tin. The lever can be used to cut things, lift weights and open lids. Scissors and bottle openers are example of levers. Next one, pulley. A pulley is also a simple machine that is a grooved wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. It is used to lift heavy object attached to one end of the rope. Have you seen people drawing water from a well? Yes, the pulley is used to help lift the bucket of water easily. It consists of a wheel with a rope around it. Next one, wheel and axle. This is also a simple machine, consists of a circular object called the wheel. The circular object is called the wheel, a rod called the axle. The rod is attached to the center of the wheel. This arrangement helps object move easily. Moving heavy objects becomes easier with the help of a wheel and axle. Doorknobs and screwdrivers are example of the wheel and axle. Next one, inclined plane. An inclined plane has a surface that is sloping. It helps to move objects up or down easily. A simple smooth boards are placed at an angle can be used as an inclined plane. An example of an inclined plane is a playground slide. Okay. Screws and wedges are two types of inclined planes. First one, screws. A screw is actually an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder that has a sharp pointed end. The screw looks like a nail with a groove around it. It helps to hold things together. It is actually an inclined plane that is wrapped around a central rod. It turned with the help of a screwdriver. As they rotate, they also move forward. So they help to attach things to each other. Next one, wedge. The wedge consists of a sharp edge made by two inclined planes that are back to back. The sharp edge helps to cut things. For example, knives and axes. The axe with which we cut wood. Next, energy and its sources. First, what is energy? Yes, energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to do everything, right from basic activities such as walking, reading, talking, and then difficult tasks such as lifting, carrying, and climbing. A car needs energy to move. The energy of wind makes trees sway. Then energy is also required to change the state of matter. So changing water to water vapor requires energy. Then cooking food requires energy. Energy is available in different forms. They are chemical energy, mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, and sound energy. Energy can change from one form to another. It's the sources of energy. The main sources of energy are sun energy, water energy, and wind energy. The sun is our main source of energy. That is, the energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. The main source of all energy on earth is the sun. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants use solar energy to make food with the help of their leaves. Food has energy stored in the chemical form. Then we get heat and light energy from the sun. Then solar energy can also be used to generate electricity. The sun gives us heat and light energy. Plants use light from the sun to make food. When we eat food, we get energy to do work. So we depend on the sun for energy indirectly. Next one, water. Then moving water also has a lot of energy in it. Water is also used to generate electricity. Dams are built to allow the water to fall from a height onto machines. These machines help to generate electricity. The water falls from a height onto turbines with a great force. The turbines move and help produce electrical energy. A turbine is a machine with rotating blades. Next one, wind energy. The moving air is called wind. Any object that is moving has energy in it. Wind energy is used to turn windmills. The windmills turn other machines and help to generate electricity. Okay, in this lesson we learnt force, types of force, gravity, friction, work, machines, energy, and source of energy. Okay, the 11th lesson is over. We will do the book exercise in the next class. Thank you.